Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Smart Bidet toilet seat, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from, Smart Bidet toilet seats, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Smart Bidet toilet seats from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Illy SmartMax Bidet Toilet Seat Electric Elongated Ecoseat with 4 cleaning modes, auto, open, or close. Experience the ultimate in comfort and hygiene with the Illy SmartMax Bidet Toilet Seat, the best smart solution for your bathroom upgrade. This electric elongated Ecoseat features auto open and close functionality thanks to its advanced radar and body sensing technology, giving you a truly hands-free experience. Designed with a 32% slimmer profile and a 20% larger seat, it offers unmatched relaxation and sleek aesthetics. Enjoy instant warm water, adjustable temperature and pressure, and a 3-level warm air drying system for a soothing, customizable clean every time. The full stainless steel self-cleaning nozzle ensures superior hygiene, giving you a refreshing and confident finish. Effortlessly operate with a side knob or wireless remote and install it in just minutes. Whether you're focused on cleanliness, comfort, or smart convenience, the Illy SmartMax is the best bidet toilet seat choice for your modern lifestyle. Discover why it's the best addition to your bathroom routine today. Number 2. Brondell Bidet Smart Toilet Seat Dual Stainless Steel Self-Cleaning Nozzle with Clean Plus technology. Experience the ultimate in modern hygiene with the Brondell Swash S1400 Bidet Smart Toilet Seat, the best in comfort, technology, and sustainability. Designed with dual stainless steel self-cleaning nozzles and Clean Plus technology, this electric bidet seat offers personalized cleaning with adjustable pressure, spray patterns, nozzle positions, and temperature settings. The air mixing technology creates a spa-like wash, while the instant ceramic water heater, 3-temp heated seat, 4-level warm air dryer, and carbon black deodorizer ensure every visit feels fresh and luxurious. With a programmable remote, LED nightlight, and quiet close lid, convenience is built into every detail. Installation is quick, just under an hour, and designed for elongated toilets. The sleek modern shape fits beautifully in any bathroom and includes a hidden pocket for a clean, seamless look. Save paper and reduce waste while upgrading your daily routine. Join the Wash Don't Wipe revolution and enjoy a cleaner, smarter, and more eco-friendly bathroom experience with Brondell. Number 3. Levy Electric Bidet Smart Toilet Seat with Dual Control Mode, Adjustable Warm Water, and Air Dryer. Upgrade your bathroom experience with the Levy Electric Bidet Smart Toilet Seat, the perfect blend of comfort, cleanliness, and convenience. Designed with a modern elongated shape, this smart bidet seat features adjustable instant warm water wash, warm air dryer, and a dual nozzle system for personalized front and rear cleaning. Choose from strong, soft, pulsing, or oscillating spray modes and easily adjust water pressure, temperature, and nozzle position. With both a wireless remote and side control panel, this bidet is ideal for all users, including the elderly or pregnant. The ergonomic heated seat, auto nightlight, soft close lid, and activated carbon filter enhance your overall bathroom comfort. A self-cleaning nozzle ensures hygiene after every use, while the stylish, user-friendly design fits beautifully in any bathroom. Enjoy peace of mind with Levy's 3-year warranty and transform your daily routine into a refreshing, spa-like experience right at home. Clean better, feel better with Levy. Number 4. Biobedet Electric Bidet Toilet Seat Warm Water with Air Dryer Heated Seat with Slow Close Lid. Experience next-level hygiene and comfort with the Biobedet Electric Bidet Toilet Seat, designed to transform your bathroom routine into a spa-like escape. This smart bidet features adjustable front and rear wash settings with customizable water pressure and temperature, offering a perfectly personalized clean every time. Enjoy unlimited warm water, a warm air dryer, and a heated seat that stays cozy year-round. The slow close lid adds a quiet, gentle touch, while the built-in deodorizer keeps your bathroom fresh. Operated by an intuitive wireless remote, this bidet makes it easy to access all its luxurious features with just a click. Whether you're looking for enhanced cleanliness, recovery comfort, or support for senior care, this bidet delivers on every level. With DIY-friendly installation, all parts included and no plumber required, upgrading your toilet is fast and simple. Discover why water does it better with Biobedet, cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable than toilet paper alone. Number 5. TOTO Washlet K300 Electronic Bidet Toilet Seat Cotton White. Upgrade your bathroom experience with the TOTO Washlet K300 Electronic Bidet Toilet Seat in cotton wide, a premium blend of innovation, comfort, and hygiene. Enjoy an instant, continuous stream of warm water enhanced by Air & Wonder Wave technology for a gentle yet powerful cleanse. With oscillating and pulsating wash functions, this bidet seat ensures a fully personalized clean. The soft-close heated seat keeps you cozy, while an adjustable warm air dryer and air deodorizer elevate your comfort. TOTO's advanced pre-mist and e-water Plu technology keeps your toilet bowl and self-cleaning wand sanitary before and after every use. Control all features with a sleek wireless remote, including 2 user memory settings for ultimate convenience. With over 50 million Washlet users worldwide, TOTO delivers trusted quality and elegance that's built to last. Easy to install and packed with luxury features, the K300 makes every trip to the bathroom a refreshing escape. Discover a new level of cleanliness and comfort today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.